Monica. So for today's video guys is tuturuan ko kayo or ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko po dry yung ating mga isda, yung smelt fish namin. So gagawa tayo ng homemade dried fish guys na hindi mo na kailangan ibilad sa araw. Ito guys yung ating i-dried na isda. Ayan. Ang tawag pong sa isdang ito is smelt fish. Binili namin siya sa farmer's market. $3.99 per pounds. So, instead na bibili kami ng dried fish, ano na lang, gagawa na lang kami ng sarili naming dried fish. Ano lang siya, madali lang siyang gawin. So, hinugasan ko na to guys, tapos nilagyan ko na po siya ng asin. Ayan, nilagyan ko na po siya ng asin at saka malinis na po yan. So, ang gagawin lang natin guys is ilalagay natin siya sa dehydrator. So, atin ito-dry ang ating isda guys. Ayan. Ito, nabibili lang po siya sa Kroger or kahit saan meron siguro. Ayan, layer-layer lang siya ganyan. So, first, yan natin ng isda dito. Dito. Layer-layer natin para madali lang siya. I-spread lang natin.
And then Jonesy would make a firelight as it was long wood burning through the night. Then we would come up a race.
Ayan, ganyan lang siya guys para madali siyang
Of
ma-dry.
which I
Huwag nating
shared you.
kailangan i-spread natin. Ayan.
My bit is my only courage.
So, ilalagay na natin yung second layer.
So I've got to push on through.
Tapos, maglagay
But
tayo
when
ulit
I'm
ng isda.
gone, I made everything's gotta be alright. Everything's gotta be
Ayan,
alright.
napakadali lang siya guys.
Everything's
Tapos,
gotta be alright.
ilalagay natin ito
Everything's gotta
ng
be alright. Everything's gotta be
i-on natin to ng
alright.
24 hours bago
Everything's
siya
gotta
ma-dry.
be alright.
Ma-dry talaga.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. So
Ayan, kung may
woman,
dehydrator po kayo sa
alright.
bahay. So, ganito po yung gagawin nyo. Pwede din nyo itong gamitin yung dehydrator.
Woman, oh, cry.
Pwede nyo din siyang gamitin sa pag-dry ng mga prutas, gulay,
Ooh, little darling,
kung
don't
gusto
say,
nyo.
don't say.
Or pwede din ayan, naggumawa na rin kami ng beef jerky. Gamit ang dehydrator. Gamit ang dehydrator, guys. Dehydrator. Madali lang siya. Tapos hindi kapag beef, tapos ready to eat na kapag beef yung anuhin mo. Ang ilalagay mo dito kasi
Now remember
as in parang naluto na talaga
when
siya.
we used to
At ang
say
sarap. Ayan, marinate mo lang yung beef
in the
ng
government
flavor na gusto mo
yard in
para maging
Trenchtown.
beef jerky na. So, ito ang gagawin. Ang ginagawa natin ngayon is yung isda.
would make a
Mag-dry tayo ng
firelight.
isda. Mag-dry
As
tayo.
it
Ayan.
was, long wood burning
Walang
through
ilaw.
the night.
So, ayan.
That we would
Ito.
come
Ang
up a
ating
race.
ito
Of
dry
which I share
na
with
fish.
you. My
So,
bit
tatakpan na
is
natin
my
guys.
only
Wait lang.
courage, yeah.
So, tatakpan na natin siya guys.
So
Ayan.
I've got
Ganyan lang
to
siya.
push on through.
Tapos isaksak na
But
natin.
when I'm gone,
Ayan.
no,
So, ayan. Ganyan siya guys. Second, dalawang layer lang yung ginawa ko kasi konti lang yung isda. 2 pounds lang yung isda na binili namin. So, naka 160 Fahrenheit siya at saka 71 Celsius, degree Celsius. Ayan.
No woman, no cry.
Start lang natin siya guys. Tapos, bukas na ito natin
Little sister,
i-check kung
don't
dried na siya.
shed no tears.
Yun.
No woman, no cry.
Ayan, nag-on na guys.
Little darling, don't
On na ang
shed
ating
no tears.
dehydrator for our dry fish. Ayan. Food dehydrator and jerky maker. O, di ba?
No,
So, later again guys, tignan natin kung hanggang ano, bibideo natin kapag natapos na siyang madry. So, bye for now. See you
I don't
later.
wanna
Ito
wait
na guys,
in
yung
vain
ating
for
green eye
your
na
love.
pista. Ayan.
I don't wanna
Ito na po siya
wait in vain for your
So, crunchy
love.
guys. Ayan, nilagyan na rin ng
From the very
asin
first time
para
I set my eyes on
may
you,
lasa siya
girl,
kapag prinito na natin.
my heart said
Ayan. So,
fire
ito po ang ating dried smelt fish, guys.
But I
Ayan.
know now
Ayan,
when
as
I'm
you
laid down on
watch.
your line, but the waiting here is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on the string.
Yan guys, nalagay na natin
'Cause I
siya
know
sa
how to
Tupperware
do
para
my
ilagay na natin
thing.
sa refrigerator para hindi po ito
Don't
mag-noise.
talk to me as you think
So,
I am
ito po guys,
dumb.
o diba? Kapag bibilhin mo
I
ito
wanna
ng
know
ganitong
when
karami
you're
sa
gonna
store,
come.
is parang nasa 20 or
I
to
don't wanna
$30 na siya.
wait in vain
So,
for your
ayan.
love.
We have dried fish
I
already.
don't wanna wait
So, pwede
in
na siyang
vain for
lutuin.
your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause the summer is here and I'm still waiting there. Winter is here and I'm still waiting there. No, no, like I said, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still can knock some more. Ooh girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now, for I took knock some more. Yeah, see, in life I know there's a lot of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes, girl, tears in my eyes, girl, while I'm waiting for my turn. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna waiting in vain. I don't wanna waiting in vain. I don't wanna waiting in vain. I don't wanna waiting in vain.